everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Hi everyone, it's a Saturday night, so it's steak night for us. I have a couple of steaks going on the grill in here, and I have a brand new thermometer that I bought, ordered online, and it's made by Taylor, and it has a remote probe on it. So I thought I would try it. I'm making steaks. They need to be cooked to 150. It says they're 153. This one you can set the target time, you can set a timer, or you can just use it to see what the internal temperature is on the meat. So I wanted to cook these low and slow. I didn't want to overcook them, so I used the fire on the left and kept them on the right, and they're extremely large. And of course it's summer, so the air conditioners are all running out here, so I apologize for the noise. I have my thermometer that I got just a few weeks ago, and I've been using it. It says it's 87 degrees outside, and I'm just going to check the inside of these steaks and just see what they say, because that probe says now they're cooling off down to 147. This one here says 134. And that one there says 131. Well, I want to char these up, but I didn't want to overcook them. So I'm going to go ahead and char these up. Show you how I do that. So the gas is turned on. I got my fire lit here, and I'm going to go ahead and fire these burners up on high. I got a real good fire going to char this. My probe says that my meat is getting way up here in temperature. There you go, that char looks really good. Okay, 2 minutes, these are going to be done. Let me go ahead and shut this fire off. I don't want to overcook these. And we'll see how these look. Okay, there's our steaks. Gonna go eat dinner, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye for now. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell. It's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.